Imagine reducing time on site by up to 50% compared with traditional construction methods. Building with lightweight, easy-to-install products, reducing labor costs, while improving a building's thermal performance. The reality is Kingspan insulated panels. Sustainable building envelope solutions. Installation can take place in all weather conditions, which make panels conducive to use in even the harshest climate areas of North America. The panels are manufactured by means of a continuous, state-of-the-art, computer-controlled line, utilizing polyurethane insulation as its core. The exterior and interior steel skins resist impact and also provide structural strength. Combining these factors with a factory-applied sealant increases ease of installation and provides the perfect weather and vapor barrier. The panels, which are available in a variety of module widths, lengths, and colors, are first placed on a base flashing. Then, concealed fasteners are applied through the panel joint area into the steel structure, mechanically engaging both steel skins of the panels. Based on the design of the rain screen principle, the panel joint provides air pressure equalization within the joint cavity, and hence guarantees no water penetration through the panel joint. To increase aesthetic appeal, the fasteners are hidden as the panels engage. In preparation for horizontal panel installation, a J-trim is installed and sealant applied along the perimeter base of the building. The first panel is horizontally aligned and set into the J-trim, which provides a structural and guiding base. Creative design elements include trimless ends, top hats, gaskets, and extrusions. Corner details, textures, and color options are available. Factory mitered preformed corners are installed in a similar fashion. And provide a neat, architectural, and clean appearance, eliminating corner flashings. Horizontal panels with folded ends create an aesthetically pleasing, trimless vertical joint, complemented with a rubber gasket. Or the vertical joint cavity between panels without folded ends is filled with a closed cell rubber gasket. Then, an aluminum top hat with an insert is fixed over the joint. An additional option is a top hat with an EPDM rubber gasket that can be installed, offering fine lines and building definition. Enjoy the benefits of constructing with Kingspan insulated panels.